had an opportunity to have our kitchen redone, and we had contacted Jackie at CounterTop Solutions. She's very honest, got great taste, and we kind of told her what we needed. And so she gave us a couple of ideas. We went out to the showroom, and after we made our pick, we kind of asked her what she thought. You know, we knew that she had pretty good taste, and her taste and my wife's taste and my taste were pretty good. And then when CounterTop Solutions came out here, they were just great. The guys that came out to do the install were super. They did a great job putting the countertops in and explaining what they were doing, talking about how to treat the countertop. I can tell you right now, recommending Jackie at CounterTop Solutions, that I would go back to her in a heartbeat. Matter of fact, it's not only CounterTop Solutions, but also Jackie, because if Jackie were to leave, we probably would follow her too. Hopefully she'll stay there for a long time. I think they got great product. The people have always been great. Whenever we've gone out there for questions about, again, product to clean the counters, without a doubt, you know, they were probably the company that we'd go to again.